Hi student, this is T. Ravikumar from Mahabubnagar district. Today I am explaining about India map pointing regarding 10th class social studies. Observe the India map. Few mountain ranges are there in the northern Himalayan ranges. Karakoram range, Pirpanjal mountain range, Jaskar range, Aravali mountains. The Thar desert is located on the leeward side of Aravali mountains. Shivalik range, Himadri range, Mahabharata range, Kailas range, Mount Everest, Indira Gandhi Canal, which is the longest canal in India. Chota Nagpur Plateau is rich mineral resources in India. Nilagiri Hills, Western Ghats. Near the Gudaluru, Nilagiri Hills join the Western Ghats. Kanyakumari. The southernmost tip of the plateau is Kanyakumari. Indira Point. The southernmost tip of India is found in Nicobar Islands called as a Indira Point. Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar. These countries are sharing their mainland boundaries with India. Sri Lanka, Maldives, which are very close in water bodies from India. (23.5 north latitude or Tropic of Cancer, which is passes through 8 Indian states. Agra, Lucknow, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram. Tropic of Cancer passes through these states. Kanchanaganga, Sikkim, Simla, Goa, Gandhinagar, Patna, Amaravati, Chennai, Bangalore, Mysore, Ooty, popularly known as a Udagamandalam. India lies from 68 degrees 7 eastern longitudes to 97 degrees 25 minutes eastern longitude. India lies between these longitudes. Nilagiri Hills, Srinagar, Dehradun, Chandigarh, New Delhi, Lakshadweep Islands, Puducherry, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Diu and Daman, Dadra Nagar Haveli, the strait separating from Sri Lanka to India, Pak Strait. Konkan Coast, Canara Coast, Konkan Coast is the northern part. It touches Maharashtra and Goa. Canara Coast, this is the middle part. It includes coastal plains of Karnataka. Malabar Coast, this is the southern part, mostly in the states of Kerala. Coromandel Coast, coastal area of Tamil Nadu. Sarkar Coast, coastal area of Andhra Pradesh. Utkal Coast, coastal area of Odisha. India extends from north to south 3,214 kilometers. India extends from west to east 2,933 kilometers. The Ganga River, which is the longest river in India. The Ganga River is called as the Padma River in Bangladesh. Brahmaputra River. Observe the India map. Few mountain ranges in the northern Himalayas and middle Himalayas. Point out their names. Naga Hills, Manipuri Hills. Purvanchal Hills, Patkai Hills. India lies from 8 degrees 4 minutes north latitude to 37 degrees 6 north latitudes. The capital of India is Delhi. Nilagiri Hills. Anaimudi, which is the highest mount peak in the southern India, which is located in Anamalai Hills. Chipko movement started in Uttarakhand. Schooling revolution happened in the Himachal Pradesh state. Silent Valley project belongs to Kerala. Nuclear Kudamkulam power project belongs to Tamil Nadu. (82.5) Eastern longitude or Indian Standard Time, which is the prime line of India. Narmada River, which flows between the Vindhya and Satpura mountain ranges. Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Hyderabad. Thank you for watching.